A very good morning to my dear students. In today's video, we are going to learn about a new chapter that is of the English grammar lesson 21 preposition. So students, what is preposition? But before starting, we will see here where is the ball. Now here where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Here where is the ball? Here the ball is on the table. Here where is the ball? The ball is under the table. Here where is the ball? The ball is near the what? Table. So here the in, on, under or near, these all are the prepositions. Now student, a preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. एक पर्सन, एक प्लेस और एनिमल और थिंग कहाँ पर है, दैट मीन्स उसकी पोजीशन कहाँ है, वो हमें प्रीपोजिशन से पता चलता है. नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. दीज आर द सम प्रीपोजिशन दैट यू हैव टू सी. The first preposition is that is the in. Now the ball is where? The ball is in the box. Box के अंदर है, so that's why we have used in here. Next in the apples are in the basket. So apples are कहाँ है? Basket के अंदर है, so that's why we have used in here. Now the next preposition is on. Students, we use on when the surface of something is touched with the surface of the object. Like as you can see here, the clock surface is touched with the surface of the wall. The clock is on the wall, so that's why we have used on here. The boy is sitting on the chair. Here the boy as well as the chair are touched to each other, so that's why we have used on here. The next preposition is the under. So students, where we use under? When something is under, that we can say the cat is under the table. We can also say the boy is sitting under the tree because वो tree के just नीचे बैठा है. So that's why we have used under here. Now the another under example is that the ball is under the table. As I have said, given you the example of cat. So cat is under the table, so we can also say the ball is under the table. Example, what is near? Where the near preposition is used. So near preposition is used, the ball is near the table. So why we use near? Because वो उसके बॉल जो है कहाँ है? टेबल के पास में है. So that's why we have used near here. Next is the car is parked near the house. So why we have used near here? Because जो कार है वो किसके पास है? हाउस के पास है. So that's why we have used near here. Here now students, there is the another preposition which I use, that is the what? Behind, between, in front and over. So where is the cat? So cat is behind because cat is sitting behind, back side of the box, so that's why we have used behind. Here cat is between the box. Cat is between of the box. So why we have used between here? Because दो box के बीच में है cat. If there are 3 or 4 boxes, then we do not use between, we use among. So cat is sitting among the box. Now the next is cat is in front. In front is also the preposition. So cat is sitting in front of the box. Cat कहाँ पर बैठी है? Box के front में. Now over. Over is also the another preposition. Cat is jumping over the what? Box. So now we will see another examples. Students, they always come before noun or pronoun. जो prepositions होते हैं always use होते हैं before the noun or a pronoun, और वो किसी भी person, place, animal और thing की position को show करते हैं. Now listen students, we will read the preposition behind, between, in front and over. So first we will learn between, that where the between preposition is used. So student, as you can see, where is the box? Where is the dog? So the dog is between two boxes, because the boxes are two, so that's why we have used here between, and the dog is sitting between the box. If there is, the box is 3, so we will use here among. Where is the house? The house is between the 2 trees. Now the next preposition is the behind. So we use behind if something is back of that box, curtain or anything. कोई भी चीज अगर किसी चीज के बैक में है, so that's then we use preposition behind. The clown is hiding behind the curtain. So the clown is hiding behind the curtain. Curtain के बैक वो क्या हुआ है? छुपा हुआ है. So that's why we have used here behind. Now the next is the dog is behind the box, because जो dog है वो box के back पे है, पीछे side है. So that's why we have used behind here. Now the next preposition is the in front of. Where we used in front of? As you can see here, the boy is sitting in front of the computer. So he is sitting in front of his computer. So that's why we have used in front, because वो computer के सामने बैठा है. As in your class also, you also sit in front of your teacher, because आप teacher के सामने बैठते हो. So that's why we used in front here. किसी भी चीज के front में आप बैठोगे, so that's why that place we use in front of preposition. Now the next is this dog is sitting in front of the car. So the dog is sitting in front of the car. Now the next preposition is the over. So where over is used? As you can see, the cat is jumping over the box. It is the upper side and it is jumping over the box. So that's why we have used over here. So now students, the preposition chapter is finished, and if you have any doubt or query related to this chapter, you can ask me any time.